Redberry. You guys know I've sold one in here before, so I'm familiar with this builder and this neighborhood. And of course, it is a newer neighborhood. There are Zippo when it comes to trees. They mow all the trees down, put all the houses up as fast as they can, so you do not get anything. The yard here is brown, even though they all started with brand new sod. This one is now dirt. So it is what it is. Closet. Nice big open concept living room, kitchen, office. There's no closet, that's why they have the clear doors. It is a designated office. So this would be your pantry. Here, washer, dryer. Run into your kitchen.
Garage door.
Found a gym. Oh, gym smells good, actually. I got everything. I want to work out. Skipping the gym today.
Back door.
Oh, they have the new age cat box. My mom and dad keeps talking me into getting one of those. See, the kitty has been wrecking the furniture. You get a nice size closet. Toilets back there. Nice big soaking tub. No jets. Tile all the way up, which I like. This room is huge. Really nice big size master. Get your screened in porch. This is the best part of this property. This right here. So you just put a little fence right there. And one back here. It's been a day. Hope you enjoyed all the tours.